How to scale models with Seldon Core explained. Discover how to efficiently scale your machine learning models using Seldon Core, focusing on scalable deployment solutions and enhancing model reliability in production.
Welcome to our comprehensive guide on scaling machine learning models with Seldon Core. Did you know that 90% of data scientists face challenges when their models go into production? Scaling isn't just about handling increased load, it's about ensuring your models are reliable, available, and performant under pressure. In this video, we'll dive deep into Seldon Core's features that make scaling your models not just possible, but efficient and effective. Stay tuned, as we unravel the intricacies of deploying scalable solutions in real-world scenarios.
Seldon Core is an open-source platform designed to deploy machine learning models at scale. It supports a variety of languages and frameworks, making it versatile for different projects. One of Seldon Core's standout features is its dynamic scaling capabilities. Built on Kubernetes, it naturally integrates into your existing cloud infrastructure, allowing you to scale up or down based on demand. Additionally, Seldon Core provides robust monitoring tools to keep an eye on performance metrics, making adjustments as needed. This flexibility ensures your models are resilient and can handle varying loads without breaking a sweat. Auto-scaling is a game-changer in model deployment, and Kubernetes makes this seamless with its horizontal pod autoscaler. By defining CPU and memory usage thresholds, Kubernetes can automatically adjust the number of model replicas running at any time. This ensures that you're using resources efficiently, scaling up during peak demand and down during quieter periods. The real power lies in reducing manual intervention. Letting Kubernetes handle scaling means you can focus on other critical areas, knowing your models are performing optimally without overloading the system.
High availability is crucial for any production environment. By deploying multiple replicas of your model, you create redundancy that protects against single points of failure. Seldon Core allows you to configure these replicas easily, ensuring that your system remains reliable even if one replica goes down. Load balancing across replicas enhances performance, distributing requests evenly and maintaining a consistent user experience. This approach not only improves system availability but also boosts user confidence in your application's reliability. Load balancing is essential for optimizing model performance and resource utilization. Seldon Core provides several strategies, including round-robin and least connections. The round-robin approach distributes requests evenly across available replicas, while the least connections strategy directs traffic to the server with the fewest active connections. By prioritizing resource utilization, these strategies reduce latency, improve response times, and ensure a smoother experience for users. Choosing the right load balancing strategy can significantly impact your model's efficiency and reliability in production. Monitoring is vital for maintaining optimal performance in a scalable deployment. Seldon Core's monitoring tools allow you to track real-time performance metrics, setting alerts for when thresholds are breached. This proactive approach enables you to analyze data and make informed decisions on adjusting your scaling settings. By continually refining your scaling strategies based on insights, you can ensure your models are performing at their best, adapting to changing demands efficiently and effectively. Scaling models is not without its challenges. Common pitfalls include over-provisioning resources, which leads to unnecessary costs, and ignoring performance bottlenecks that can degrade user experience. Regular updates are essential to ensure compatibility and security, yet they are often neglected. Misconfigured load balancers can disrupt traffic distribution, while ineffective monitoring may result in missed opportunities to optimize performance. By being aware of these potential missteps, you can implement strategies to avoid them, ensuring your scaling efforts are both effective and efficient.
Let's explore a real-life example where Seldon Core was instrumental in scaling a machine learning model. In this case study, a company faced challenges with increased user demand and performance issues. By leveraging Seldon Core's auto-scaling and load balancing features, they successfully managed to scale their deployment, resulting in improved reliability and user satisfaction. The project highlighted the importance of regular monitoring and dynamic adjustment of scaling settings. The lessons learned from this experience emphasize the need for a strategic approach to scaling, with a focus on understanding user needs and system capabilities.
In conclusion, scaling machine learning models with Seldon Core offers numerous benefits, from handling increased loads to ensuring model reliability and performance. We've explored key strategies like auto-scaling, load balancing, and dynamic monitoring, which are crucial for successful deployments. If you've found this video helpful, please share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content on deploying machine learning models effectively. We look forward to continuing this journey with you.